Speak Like a Realtor, Talking Points for Non-Realtors, edition January 21st, 2011. These weekly talking points are provided by Judy and Nelson Horn, Greater Palm Springs Area Realtors. Talking point number 1. Historical data from the National Association of Realtors, adjusted for inflation by businessweek.com, show that in 18 of the 25 largest metro areas in the U.S., the value of homes purchased in 1990 had increased by 2010, often by double digits. And this in a year when real estate prices around the country have softened since their peak in '06. These houses would have been worth even more a few years ago. Talking point number 2. In an analysis of the country's 25 largest metro areas, businessweek.com found that the Portland, Oregon area had the largest real price gain since '90, with the median sale price in this year's third quarter $242,100, up 85% over 1990. In inflation-adjusted terms, home prices in the Denver, Baltimore, and Seattle areas also made gains of more than 50% in that period. Talking point number 3. Yet in some other markets where home ownership skyrocketed during the housing boom, inflation-adjusted prices have fallen so dramatically that they are now below 1990 levels. Real prices in the Atlanta metro, for instance, are down about 21% compared with 20 years ago, and in Sacramento, they're down 19%. After recovery from the housing bust, home prices are expected to settle into a price growth trend that's slightly higher than inflation over the long term. So in that sense, housing is still a long-term investment with a positive yield. Join us next week for these weekly talking points by Judy and Nelson Horn.